Okay, hello students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good afternoon everyone. So today, yeah, thank you for your welcoming. Today our class is talking about the lesson plan. So this is our first meeting, So we will talk about the book of Merdeka Curriculum. We call it the English for Nusantara. Yeah, I'm pretty good today. What about you guys? Oh yeah, it's nice to meet you too. Okay, so I would like to first I would like to tell you our meeting today is about the online class. Yeah, and what is meaning of the online class? So based on lesson plan design that I already made up here, we will talk about the section in the activities for based on the English for Nusantara. You can open your book, yeah. I already sent to the group. Okay, so unit 2, my online class, say what you know. So here you can take a look with the picture. So I would like to ask of you here, I would like to ask Cecil, what helps you stay focused while studying online? Can you answer, please?
I think a quiet place. Yeah, I just need a quiet place for my online class.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for your ideas. And then, what about Esa? What do you usually study in online?
I usually study at my home.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea. So, in our condition, we so many times to do online, because of the lecture that told us to do the online class. And then we go to the section 2. We talk about the vocabulary, and there's a word review. Can I ask you, Oribel, what does the word review means? Yeah, about the studying. Yeah, I know what you mean. That means that we're studying to memorize the previous lesson, right? Okay, so Excel, what about the study of schedule? Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good idea. And then, okay, as you can see in the section 2, reading and viewing, can you mention the word? Yeah, mention the word. Start from Excel, please. What the first word that written in the book? Okay, can you read the word Excel? Okay, thank you. What about Cecil?
Mute the microphone.
Yeah, what does it mean? Mute the microphone.
We should turn off our microphone.
Okay, that's a good idea. And the last one, I would like to ask, what does it mean? The pay attention. Yeah, that's a good idea. We need to focus on the teacher that explain the material to us. Okay, let's get to the part B. Read a text about the Ibu Ayu's online classroom. That's a teacher. So we need to read the activity that Ibu Ayu teach in English every Tuesday. So after you read, you answer the question. Okay, let's get to the next agenda. Is going to be the section 3. It's about the reading and viewing. What you can see here, I would like to ask Esa, why should students make a study plan? Okay, and then I would like to ask for with here, as we can see, there's a lot of text. Yeah, can I ask Oribel, what is the main idea of the reading text in the section 3? What's the main idea of the reading text that in the book.
The book itself it's explaining the effective learning tips for students.
Yeah, that's good. That's a correct answer for the reading text that explain for the effective learning tips for students. Okay, let's get to the section 4. Is we talking about the speaking. Okay, as you can see on your book, yeah, section 4 is about the language focus, and we will talk about the new vocabulary here. There's a word could you and could you please and can you Rebel explain the difference could and can.
When we want to, it's actually can, but we must be, put in the can in the must situations.
Okay.
While should is like a shall. Still
Okay,
the same.
thank you for your explanation. Okay, let's get to the next section. We talk about the fun time spin wheel. Okay, there's many words. Start from the come on time, wear uniform, turn on the camera, mute the microphone, write on the chat box, join the discussion. After this, I would like to make our decide you into several groups, yeah, based on the spin wheel. Okay, next section. Okay, there's a poster showed how the learning tips, yeah, you can study, yeah, you can read based on the poster that show in the book. Okay, and then after you reading and viewing in the section 6, Galang and Andres learning tips, I would like to ask you one by one. Start from Iis. For the last section, why should students review previous lessons?
Because reviewing help them remember and understand better.
Yeah, we need to review because we need to know more about our understanding to get more better. And then, what about Esa? And I would like to ask, why should students join the class of the discussion? What do you think?
Ask question and share the idea.
Okay, thank you. And then Cecile, I would like to ask here, which learning tip that will you apply after you get your lessons today?
I think I will make a study schedule and review my lesson regularly.
Okay, that's a good idea. That's a good plan to get your studies more better. And what about Oribel? I would like to ask here, what is Galang's first learning tip?
I think we prepare a comfortable place for studying.
Yeah, that's the thing. We need to get our comfortable place to make our studying more like relaxed, and this material will get into our mind, something like that. The last person is Excel. I would like to ask what about the Andres suggestion before joining an online class?
Yeah, I think he suggests making an online class, Andre. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah. Okay, so thanks for all the students who are coming to my class today. We already talked about my online class. So we already talked about how the attitude to the teacher in front of the camera. We need to like pay attention to the teacher, and then we need to turn off the microphone while the teachers explaining the material, and then the other else. We also already talk about the vocabulary. We already talk about the how can we use the could you and the can you. And the last is the poster from the Andres and Galangs, how they shared to us their learning tips. Okay, that's all from my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam